Hello students, now we are going to solve question number 9, that is exercise 15.1, question number 9. I will read the question, listen properly and then understand the question and finally find the probability of given question. Clear children? A box contains 5 red marbles. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. Okay, one marble is taken out of the box at random. Okay, what is the probability of a red ball? First question, and second question is a white marble, and third one is not a green marble. Okay, children, now we'll go for the solving the question. First of all, total how many marbles are there here? Total number of marbles. Total number of marbles, all the colors here, is equal to 5 red. Okay, 5 red plus 8 white. 8 white marbles, and last one 4 green marbles. 4 green marbles. Clear children? And 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 4. Total how many? 17 marbles. Total all the colors together 17 marbles we have. Clear? Okay. Now red how many are there? Just write separately. Red marbles 5. White marbles how many are there? 8. And last one green marbles. Green how many are there? Total 4. This is the separate red, white and green marbles. Now come to the first question. Question number 1. What is the probability of red marble? Okay, probability of red marble. We know the formula: favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. This is the probability formula. Okay, what is the red marble? How many are there here? Favorable how many? 5. Then the answer is what is? 5 by total number of marbles how many are there here? 17. Probability of red marble is equal to 5 by 17. This is the first one. Clear? Now come to the second one. What is the probability of white marble? Probability of white marble. White marble is equal to, what is the favorable here again? Favorable is 8 and total is 17. Probability of white marble is equal to 8 by 17. Okay, this is the second one answer. Favor is what is? 8 are there, 8 options, then the total is 17. The answer is finally 8 by 17. Now come to the third one. Not a green. Third question is not a green. Not a green means automatically what will get? Red and white. Clear children? Not a green. Green marble. Then what is other things? Not a green means white plus red. White 8 and red 5. 8 plus 5, 13. This is the favorable outcome. Clearly given not a green means automatically white and red. That are the favorable outcomes. Then probability of not a green marble, that is equal to favorable how many are there? 13. Total number is 17. Okay, that is the answer. Clear children, understanding in this? Total is 17. First one, probability of red marble. Red marble how many are there? That's a 5. 5 by 17. Come the second one is what is? Probability of white. White how many are there? 8. That is favorable outcome. Probability of white marble is equal to 8 by 17. Third one, not a green. Green means it's not a green, then automatically it is red and white. The total is 13. That is favorable outcome. Therefore, probability of not a green is equal to 13 by 70. This is the answer. Students, now we'll go for question number 10 and read from the textbook. A piggy bank contains 150 pice coins. 150 pice coins. Here 50 pice coins is equal to 100, that is total number is giving, and 50 rupee 1 coins. Rupee 1 coin is equal to 50, and 20 rupees 2 coins. Rupees 2 coins 20. Okay. Then 10 rupees 5 coins. Rupees 5 coins 10. If it is equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down. Okay, what is the probability that coin will be a 50 pice coin? First question is probability of 50 pice coin. That is the question mark. First question. And second question is will not be rupees 5 coin. Probability of will not rupees 5 coin. Clear? It's a very simple question. Is asking. Okay. Yeah. We'll go for the answer. Total. First, what we have to find? Total probability of any event is equal to favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. That is the formula. Now using that we have to find out. Clear, children? First, total find out. Total how many are there? Total coins is equal to 100 plus 50. 150. 150 plus 20. It is 170. 170 plus 10. 180. Total coins is equal to what is? 180. Clear? Now we will go for the 50 paisa coins. Probability of 50 paisa coins is equal to what is here? Favorable outcomes. How many favors are there here? 100. Okay. The answer is favor is, this is the favorable outcomes because number is 100. Then automatically we will get 100 only. That is 100 by total how many are there? 180. 180. Cancel this. 0 0 cancel and 2 5s are 2 9s. What is the answer now? 5 by 9. What is this one? Probability of 50 paisa coins. Clear? Now I will go for the question number 2. This is the first question and this is the second one. Clear? Probability of not rupees 5 coin. The question is not rupees 5 coin. First of all, we have to find not rupees 5. How many are there? Not a rupees 5 coins. Not a rupees 5 coins means other things. What are other? 1, 2 and 50 paisa coins. Add it all. What is first one? 100. What is this one? 50 paisa coin plus then 50 this one rupees 1 next rupees 2. How many are there? 20. What is this total now? 150, 170. This is rupees 2. Clear, children? This is total 170. Now the question is not a rupees 5. Not a rupees 5 is nothing but all other coins. All other coins how many are there? 150, 170. Total is 170. Now probability find out. Probability of a not a rupees 5 coin. Not rupees 5. That means what is the favorable here? Favorable outcomes 170. Not rupees 5 means obviously 150 paisa and rupees 2. That is favorable is 170. What is the total? It's a 180. 170 by 180. 0 0 cancel in this. What is remaining? 17 by 18. Therefore the answer is probability of not rupees 5 is what is 17 by 8. Clear, children? First one, probability of 50 paisa coin is 5 by 9. Probability of not rupees 5 is 17 by 8. This is first one is 5 by 9 and second one is 17 by 8.